if you're new here, I'm Victoria. Hit the subscribe button and turn notification. Today's shout out goes to, I have two shout outs for today. Today's shout outs goes to Samantha Wan, Little Squishy ED. Thank you guys so much for subscribing and turning on my notifications. Today we are going to be making some slime with my slime kit as I showed you guys in my Christmas haul. So we are going to be using clear glue and this. Just saying, I tried to use like other glue, like normal glue, but it did not work with the activator, so there might be different ingredients. So just in case you wanted to try that. I'm going to add on glue, and this is clear glue. Oh, and I made slimes yesterday too. And this is how the slimes turn out. They're nice. Oh, this one's kind of sticky, this guy. So that's that slime. And they come with popsicle sticks. And yeah. I think I should add a little bit more because just a little bit. Because it doesn't come out as a lot as this one did. So the next thing, actually I kind of want to mix that just in case. Okay. Next thing I want to add is my coloring. And I don't know what I'm going to do. So I'm going to do this nice purple maybe. I don't know. No. Maybe the green. Wait, this is not, oh, it's that way. This is some green. I'm going to make this just a nice color because I want it to be nice and clear. So it's that greenish color. Gonna, like, what if I want it teal? Maybe I want it teal. So I'm going to add in some blue. And this blue is very shiny. This one. And yeah. So we're going to add on the blue. It's very chunky too. I'm going to add the other color. I don't know. Because this is very chunky right now. It's turning into a teal color. But not teal enough for me. That color was better. What's your favorite color? And this is my favorite color. It's really a nice color. Okay, so we made teal. Now, since I add a lot of so it actually comes with sparkles. I'm gonna add on the star ones because I added lots of those in my other slime that I made. There. I don't think that's enough, but we're gonna go with that right now. It's gonna be such a pretty slime. I think this is my new favorite slime. And the next thing you have to do, I'm gonna be using the activator. And wait, this is why that is cloudy? I mean, that is cloudy because I used a cloudy bottle. And this is, oh, that might do that. So I only am adding a step at a time because, you know, I don't know how much this is gonna get. This needs some. It's getting together. Okay, so the slime is almost done. It was like this yesterday for the pink one I had, but eventually it's going to turn into slime. don't know if I should go on with my hands because that did not end up good yesterday. After playing with it for a couple minutes now, it turned out like a really good slime. This is definitely one of my favorites, and it's metallic. Let's go to the next slime. We're going to be making another slime. I think this one was like a cloudy, like, I don't know, basically glue. And I think this one is different, so I'm going to try to use this one. See if it has a difference. And this color we are going to be making a nice, I want to make it dark blue because I have like all of them like nice purpley and pink colors. So I'm going to make this one blue. It's not coming out. I got the best of I could out of the glue. There wasn't that much. And I told you we're going to make a blue slime, so we're going to get the coloring out now and start coloring it. I need to try to make this darker. I think I should just like adding more blue. So I add in some purple just to make the color darker. It is turning into a blue color a little bit. I turned it just a tiny bit to blue. I think that's a nice color right now. So I'm going to stick with that. Now we're going to add on my activator in it. Okay. This one did turn out really good. It turned out a blue color, but I think I over-activated it a little bit. It's a little bit rippy. But otherwise, this is a really good slime. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and if you want a shout out, comment down below after you're done subscribing and hitting that like button. Comment down below in the comment section. Done, and maybe I will pick you for my next shout out. Peace out.